Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up an e-commerce store with BigCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is safe for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official BigCommerce website right here, bigcommerce.com. If you have not already, open up the official URL right here and now we can get started. So this is going to be the main page that greets you where you can get started. First things you can notice is right here at the top of the screen you have two sections you can access. You have the enterprise section and the small business section. If you're an enterprise, you can get started from right here. You can get started exploring the platform, you can take a look at the pricing, and you can get started requesting a demo. So by clicking request a demo in the upper right corner, it's going to enable you to go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Provide all your enterprise info and get started getting in touch and requesting a demo that's going to enable you to test out the BigCommerce platform for yourself. If you are a small business, what you can do is click the small business section right here at the top of the screen. That's going to enable you to start a free trial. So the same process is here. You can go ahead and create an account, provide your store info, set up your store and so on, and get started creating your store to use with BigCommerce. So once you have set up this, now what you can do is follow an article like this one right here. This is an article showing us a tutorial for beginners of BigCommerce, how to get started setting up your store. So basically it's going to show you all the steps you need, such as the first one being to create an account, as I have just showed you, and from there you can get started setting up your store. So you can get go ahead and set up your BigCommerce store profile, enter in your store name, info, and all the options, and then get started customizing your theme. So basically, once you open up the dashboard of your store and you have logged in, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your dashboard from which we can get started. Here we can go and manage all our products, all our info, orders, and so on. All of that is going to be available in the dashboard of our BigCommerce store. This is going to be our e-commerce store that we are using BigCommerce. So what you can do is go ahead and follow the article for yourself right here. Find a similar article if you want, or just start exploring the dashboard for yourself to take a look at how it works. So basically that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.